Hi everyone, today we have a PlayStation 5 in for a software update issue. The console is giving us error code SU-101217-2, which can sometimes indicate a fault with the Wi-Fi or Bluetooth module. Now technically you can usually reinstall the software from a USB drive and continue using the console with a wired internet connection. But in this case, the customer wants to keep all of their saved data and have the console working normally again. I'll just try updating the console from the internet first so I can show you exactly what's happening and the error the customer is getting. As you can see, the update starts normally, but partway through it fails and throws up error code SU-101217-2. First things first, let's get the PS5 stripped down and get access to the motherboard. Once we get inside, I'll remove the board and locate the Wi-Fi module. Here is the Wi-Fi module. The module is soldered directly onto the board, so I'll be using hot air and flux to carefully remove it without damaging the surrounding components. Once the old module is removed, I'll clean up the pads and get the replacement module fitted. After that, we can rebuild the console and test to see if the update will finally complete successfully. For this repair, I'm using a donor module I had spare. We need to align the module so that once it heats up and the solder begins to flow, the module will naturally slide into place. There you go, did you see it slide into place? I'll just put it back together for a quick test. We need to connect the disk drive for this, otherwise we'll get another error code. And there we go, it fully updated with no error code, so if you have this type of error, the module is most likely the problem. The controller is connecting, let's get it cleaned up and put back together for one final test. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment below. I really appreciate the support and I'll see you in the next one.